Is it possible that the oil field industry, often viewed as traditional and slow-moving, is now at the forefront of data analytics? Quite so, my friends. The current state of oilfield data analytics is indeed a fascinating tale of transformation. Once perceived as a laggard in embracing new technologies, this industry is now harnessing the power of data analytics to enhance efficiency and productivity. This shift is not without its challenges, of course. The sheer volume of data generated in oil fields is staggering, and sifting through this sea of information to derive meaningful insights can be a daunting task. Yet, as we speak, new technologies are being applied to tackle these challenges head-on, paving the way for innovative solutions. From leveraging machine learning to predict equipment failures, to utilizing predictive analytics for optimizing drilling operations, the oilfield industry is redefining the way it operates. Indeed, it might be surprising to some, but the oilfield industry is embracing data analytics like never before. Let's delve deeper into a specific case study. Consider the case of an oilfield company that recently implemented machine learning algorithms into their data analytics process. This innovative company, facing the complexities of the oilfield industry, decided to embrace technology to better navigate their business landscape. They embarked on a journey to incorporate machine learning into their data analytics. This wasn't just a simple addition to their existing system, but a complete transformation of how they interpreted and utilized data. This new approach allowed them to sift through vast amounts of information, identifying patterns and trends that were previously undetectable. The introduction of machine learning to their data analytics process revolutionized their decision-making. They were now able to make informed decisions swiftly, reducing the risk of costly mistakes. This technology also enabled them to optimize their operations, leading to a significant reduction in operational costs and an increase in productivity. The impact of this technological shift was substantial. It streamlined their processes, eliminated inefficiencies, and opened doors to new opportunities. The company was able to foresee potential issues, allowing them to take preventive measures and avoid expensive setbacks. This technology also empowered them to forecast future trends, providing valuable insights that guided their strategic planning. The benefits were clear. Machine learning in data analytics was not just a tool, but a game changer. This case study perfectly illustrates the transformative power of new technologies in oilfield data analytics. As we've seen, the oilfield industry is leveraging data analytics in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. From monitoring performance to optimizing resource allocation, new technologies are transforming the sector. The future holds even more promise, with advances in predictive analytics and real-time decision-making set to revolutionize operations. So, next time you think of a traditional industry, remember that even the oilfield industry is making strides in embracing new technologies, shaping its future and driving forward progress.